Kung makikipag-date ako sa Chinita, dadalhin ko siya sa Tim Hoan o kaya sa Din Tai Fung.
This Chinese New Year, love isn't just about fireworks and red envelopes. It's about navigating the traditions, expectations, and sometimes the scrutiny of a traditional Filipino-Chinese family. So we asked people, would you ever date a Chinito or Chinita? And here's what they said.
I'm open to the idea naman, pero for my preference, mas prefer ko kasi yung mga Moreno. So, yun, hashtag love local. Wala, this preference lang naman. May kanya-kanya tayong mga type. Right now, mayroong mga notion na mga Chinoys ay mata pobre. So, sana ay ma-break nila yung stereotype na yun kapag dinate ko sila someday, ganyan, good chance.
Kung makikipag-date ako sa Chinita, dadalhin ko siya sa Tim Hoan o kaya sa Din Tai Fung. Punta kami Binondo, kain kami Xiaolong Bao pa. Tapos bibili tikoy. Yun na yung regalo ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, uwi mo sa nanay mo to. Sabi mo, Pongi Bachoy.
Ang tanong, Chinito o Moreno?
Moreno.
So may dinate ka na ba Chinito?
Wala pa. Hindi naman, hindi ko talaga type Chinito. Pero pwede rin. Pero open naman.
Siguro ayain ko siya kumain. Xiaolong Bao, ganyan. Din Tai Fung.
Of course! Of course naman agad.
Gusto ko kasi medyo singket, tapos matangkad. Of course, punta kami sa kanilang Shanghai, Beijing. Opo ko, aren't Great Wall? Kaya yan. Sabihin ko na lang na, are you this? Because was yan.
Well, kung maliligaw ako ng Chinita, tanghaling tapat palagi, lunch. Kasi kailangan niya umuwi na maaga. Sure yun. Kailangan, pag pumunta ka sa bahay, magtanggal ka ng sapatos bago ka pumasok sa bahay. Tsaka magdala ka ng orange. Sure yun. Turbol yun. Orange.
Yes. Yes. Without doubts. Siguro kung first day, lunch sa Chinese restaurant. Then siguro after, we should get coffee to get to know each other. Dalhin mo muna ako agad sa family mo. Tapos kikilalanan ka din yung family mo. Tapos tingnan natin. Balay mo mag-match naman yung vibes.
Oo.
Oo.
If magdi-date ka ng Chinita, saan mo dadalhin? Saka paano mo liligawan? Pati yung family.
Sa Green Hills. Wala lang. First thing that came into my mind.
So bakit prefer mo mga Chinita?
Ganun talaga. Chinita body pare.
Yes. Siyempre, cute sila. Ay, coffee, gano'n. Tapos, siyempre, getting to know, mga museum date. Cute-cute lang, siyempre, mga pang-Instagram mo. Nasa kanya na yun kung siya yung titipag ng Great Wall. Para sa akin.
Depende kung galante. Siguro sa beach. Dead man ako, ayaw niya dead man.
If you were still single,
I'm single.
so would you date someone who's half Chinese?
My first girlfriend, well, well, basically Chinese. Oh, I would bring her to a very Western restaurant. A restaurant that offers cuisine different from Chinese. Traditional Chinese families usually are not very welcoming of a suitor for their daughter. If I really love her, then I would probably ask her to follow me. Because you know what? Because usually when that happens, only the Chinese family does not only estrange or make me so separate from the girl, from the daughter, they usually disinherit her, which is really a big thing for a Chinese family.
As families gather to celebrate the new year, love in these households is a delicate dance between respect, tradition, and compromise, where every relationship tests not just your heart, but your patience and cultural savvy.